Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to show you how to restart your Hamster Kombat in just one click. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to restart your Hamster Kombat boot in just one click, you just simply have to open your Telegram application and open the Hamster Kombat into there. And if you already have this opened, you just simply have to do some very easy steps in order to restart the Hamster Kombat. First one is to tap into this three dot into top right corner, and from there you will get the option of reload page. You just simply have to tap into that reload page option, and after doing that your Hamster Kombat will be restarted. This way you can very easily restart your Hamster Kombat. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.